Hello. The world, as we know it, will end soon. So today I will show you Dystopia. Dystopia is the expansion pack for Avenger with action voices, apocalyptic voices and beautiful voices, movie action style sounds, etc. So let me show you some sequences from this expansion pack. The Underground. I've got a button here and I can add clock. The sequence called action scene . Okay, the next one, danger scene. I've got a clock here too. This is amazing voice, like from the movie about the war with aliens, yeah? Oh, I've got the portamento here. Have a listen. Staccato, legato. But also we've got beautiful post-apocalyptic sounds. I've got these few sequences and one of them is not without my banjo. The Avenger recognizes chords and have a listen. Amazing. I can add some pad. Another example, pay attention to this beautiful arpeggio. I can change the chord. I can add mandolins here. This is beautiful, like from the computer game about the empty city with zombies, yeah? Oh, I can add a heartbeat here. Now I can create some soundtrack for a thriller movie, horror movie, or the computer game. This kind of music is on the credits text on the end of the movie, yeah? I can add drums. But let's check the melancholia. You can hear a cello. Dying Humanity. I like the names of these sequences in this pack. Dying Humanity. In that set cello. Of course I can change this chords, yeah? In arpeggio, I have to speak here and I can +1 and -1, change everything. Okay. I can add fear in this sequence. Or danger bassline. I can add koto here. Beautiful. Okay, urban combat. And kind of military, yeah? Okay, so let's go to another category of sounds, and then we've got the atmospheres. Another example, dark atmosphere. These atmospheres sounds can be used as effect, yes, background effect. Now I can see UFO in my mind, on space, on dark sky with stars. The UFO with aliens, yeah. Sadness. Shadow Hunter. The next category, basses. In basses we've got, of course, bass guitar. But also we've got impact bass. I can add aggression to this. Reactor free bass. Etc. Okay, the drums. In drums we've got the drum loops, helicopter drop, adrenaline rush. Let me show you. And of course effects, and in effects I've got the alarm in 2049. Mysterious sound. Or I can stop it by this button. Night City hack. You can add a heartbeat. I can add cyberspace. Yeah, sounds cool. Okay, so let's go to the instruments. This post-apocalyptic guitars. At first, Dystopia banjo. Or another sound, nylon guitar. beautiful. I can add more steel. And one of my favorite, post-apocalyptic guitar. You can add something that is via controllers. You feel this climate. Metal bell sound. And the next one, the leads category, and in leads we've got a feedback lead. Okay, the pads, and in pads we've got arpeggios in this expansion pack. We've got Almo guitar pad. Now I'm closing my eyes. Close your eyes. Yeah? I love these chords. It makes me, I don't know how to say it in English. It makes me wow. Okay, the dark pad. Okay, if you're a creator of video game soundtrack, movie soundtrack, YouTube video soundtrack, and you need the action sounds, horror sounds, thriller sounds, this is pack for you. I hope you enjoy this sounds. I hope you like it. So thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.